Namaste friends, I hope you all are well. Today's topic is how we can get chubby cheeks by facial yoga. Have you ever noticed when you get tired, your face looks little older? And if you have bony face, you will likely have noticed this. But if you have rounded face, you may not have this problem. So today here I am sharing some yoga facial techniques by which you will get chubby cheeks and rounded cheeks naturally. Before start, myself Deepika Sharma, the yoga consultant. Now take the position. You can sit on any chair, on your bed, on your mat also. For that, relax your breath first. The first yoga posture name is balloon pose. For that, relax your breath first. 2 times. Now fill your mouth from the air. Minimum 10 breaths and maximum 20 breaths. You can practice this. While practicing of this yoga pose, breath from your nose naturally. No need to control your breath. Again practice with me. Now release the posture. The second technique, balloon with right and left movement. For that same process, fill the air on your mouth. Ten times left side, 10 times right side. Practice with me again. Now release the posture after 20 times. Breath normally. Now the third movement, up and down movement. Same process with balloon, up and down. Breath from your nose. Ten times upside, 10 times downside. Maximum you can practice it 20 times also, 10 times also. Again, balloon pose. Second, left and right side movement. Now up and down movement. And then release the posture, release your breath, relax your breath, relax your face also. So friends, practice these facial techniques regularly. Definitely you will get chubby cheeks and rounded face. Namaste. I hope friends you like my content. Namaste. Bye bye.